Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to open LibreOffice Calc Spreadsheets on PlanMaker on the Windows 10 operating system. For this tutorial I am using LibreOffice version 6.1, but the process should also work for LibreOffice version 7.4. The version of PlanMaker I am using is the 2021 version. Let's begin with a LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet file named MyTable. Here's what the file looks like in LibreOffice. You will see that the file name ends with .ods. If you cannot see the file name extension, simply go to the View tab of the Windows Explorer and check the box entitled File Name Extensions. In order to open this file in PlanMaker, we can change the file extension to .pmdx, which is the file extension for all spreadsheets saved using PlanMaker 2021. We can also use the file extension .xlsx, which is a Microsoft Excel extension that PlanMaker 2021 is also able to open. For this tutorial, I will be using the pmdx file extension. Here's what the file looks like when opened with PlanMaker 2021. You can see that the text and the formatting of the spreadsheet were preserved in the process of changing the file extension. I hope that you found this tutorial to be helpful in your spreadsheet work. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.